So Trevor right over there asked me what it would look like if I was running. So let's do that test. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hello everyone, I just unboxed this little amazing webcam. I'm just joking, but seriously, you should go check out my other video because I talk about a feature that nobody else seems to be talking about. Anyways, in this video, we're going to talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm going to bring you along while we go test out the video features of this camera. And even better, we're actually going to go compare it to the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. We finally made it to this beautiful little location. Had no idea this was close to my house, and I'm ready to test for the very first time this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm very excited here to just open it up. It's so fast. I see a problem right here. The interface looks really nice, but I see a problem right here. It's 1080p 30 seconds, so we're actually gonna come here. We're gonna switch it to 4K because I want to film everything in 4K, and we're gonna put it at 24 frames per second. So now we should be ready to do our first vlogging shot. For this, I'm gonna have to turn it around. So we're simply gonna come here, click the little icon here, and I should be ready to start vlogging with this. This is my very first vlogging test using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I have everything on auto settings right now, and I'm also using the built-in microphones, not the external one that comes with this kit. I wanted to see how it looks and how it sounds. It should have much better bokeh in the background, which was a problem with the previous cameras, and also it should have much better autofocus, so it should stay in focus with my head right here. I can actually see on the screen, and I keep looking at it right now, that it looks perfectly in focus with the image. So that's some huge improvements compared to the previous models. I realized there's two things I really like about this camera. The screen is super bright in detail, which makes it really easy to see if I'm in focus and if the composition is good. And also, check out how loud it is when we play back the video. I have everything on auto settings right now, and I'm also using the built-in microphones. To really test this camera, we're gonna go walk around this path around the lakes. There's some nice little views I wanna check out over there. And all along the way, we're gonna be doing some vlogging tests. We're also gonna be doing some filming tests to capture this whole experience. One thing that wasn't as great is that I had to change my gimbal mode here because I wanted an FPV and couldn't find the option right away. It used to be that you could click one of the buttons and change that very quickly, but now you have to swipe down, come inside of the menu here, and now you have this nice interface to be able to change them. One little nice thing here is actually they explain at the bottom every option to tell you exactly what it's doing, so it helps a lot knowing what the gimbal is going to do when you select that option.
Oh, so Canadian.
Very Canadian right now. Gimbal battle. Which gimbal is better here? The reason I really enjoy the DJI Osmo Pocket cameras is that they're super easy to use. I can give them to any of my friends and they're gonna know right away how to handle it. These are the easiest cameras from the lineup because there's less buttons and the interface is a lot clearer on how to access different options. So here there's simply a record button and then a joystick for the gimbal, and opening it is a simple swivel away. Then you can come here and then we have our different shooting modes, and we go through these in the full review. We have our option to toggle the camera front and back. And then if we swipe on the side here, we're gonna have our review. We can review the footage right here. Then we can go on the other side and we have access to our settings right here. Oops, I did have a little issue here swiping. Then we go from the bottom, we have our different resolution and frame rates. And finally, if we come from the top, we have our more advanced options. The last thing here is if we want to focus on something, simply click on it on the screen, it's going to start focusing super easy. And now with the bigger 1-inch sensor, it's going to produce even better image quality straight out of this super simple, easy camera to use. I had to do my classic walking shot. Where's the orange jacket, Trevor? Trevor right over there asked me what it would look like if I was running. So let's do that test. Let's start by here by using the selfie camera. 1, 2, 3, let's go. If this footage is good, it's going to be pretty impressive because I wasn't stable at all while doing this test. Test number 2 here with the camera in front. 1, 2, 3, let's go. How does these tests look? Let me know in the comments down below if the footage is good. A little bit tired here. It definitely doesn't look like I run half marathons all the time. Look at that. Over there, I point. When getting a DJI product, I always suggest getting the DJI Creator Combo Kit because it always has some super useful accessories. For example here, it comes with a wireless microphone, so even if I'm super far away from the camera, you can still get some crisp audio. I'm going to turn it off to show you how different it is without it. The wireless microphone is now off and you should see that it's much harder to get these types of shots if you don't have a good wireless microphone. Again, it's so easy to use because you just open it, it connects to the camera and starts working right away. The DJI Creator Combo Kit comes with some other very useful accessories. The first one is an extra battery here. The cameras in the past used to not last as long, but this one is doing pretty good. We've been filming for about an hour and it's only at 66%, which is already pretty good. But here we can simply take this extra battery, clip it in here, and now we're gonna see we have 100% of this battery grip and we also have the battery in here. And now if we come here on the screen, we can simply click in the corner here and see the battery level for both of them. So this is gonna make it a lot easier to film some longer videos using this camera. If we remove this, it's a simple click away and we can remove it. We can actually replace the bottom here with another mount and they come with little legs here that in the kit. So now we can put the camera basically anywhere and it's very useful when using it with the active track option. Talking of active track, let's test it out. It's actually super easy to use, so just come on the screen here, double tap it. It should recognize the subject, so here recognize my face. And I should be able to just simply walk away and have the camera tracking me right here. So if I didn't have Trevor working for me today and helping out on this video, I could actually just have the camera tracking me around. And this is a big advantage of these DJI Osmo Pocket cameras, is that it really allows you to get some better shots when you're filming a video alone that would be impossible if you're simply using your cell phone or another static camera. It should be tracking. Is it all in focus? Do you see the gimbal moving? Okay, perfect. Let's try and hide away. Did it lose me? Oh wow, this is pretty cool. I really try, wait, let's try something else here. Okay, it lost me. While we're walking back towards the car, I want to do some side-by-side comparison shots with the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I have them here on this little rig to try and get the shots as similar as possible. They're not exactly the same height, but they should be close enough for these tests. Let's get started with the side-by-side test with these vlogging shots. So I just realized actually when filming this that it's much wider here on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 than the DJI Pocket 2. So this is pretty cool, especially if you're planning to vlog, because it can allow you to get a lot more inside of your frame. Also, if you look in the background, I can see already that there's a lot more bokeh in the background here, so this is a welcome change between these two cameras. I also want to take the occasion here to talk about the upcoming videos about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm going to have a full comparison between these two cameras, so we're going to go in much more depth than what I'm doing right now. But also I'm going to have a comparison with my gimbal over there, where I have my Sony and my DJI RS3 mini gimbal. And also I'm planning on doing some videos with astrophotography using this camera, and obviously a full in-depth review of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Can you record?
Okay.
So you're recording.
Yeah.
I just realized in the last few, you're actually filming, okay. In the last few shots I realized here I kept doing an error. I kept pressing here as a record button, but they moved the record button on the other side. So be careful if you're using both at the same time. You might just be switching between video and photo instead of recording on the old camera. Now let's try and get it. So my DJI Pocket 2 is already at 70% after just using it for what, 20 minutes, something like that? Not great. Based on what I can see on both screens right here, the image seems to be much better on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But I want to know what you think because I haven't seen the footage on a big screen yet. Now let's go get some footage at night. This is my very first night vlogging test. There are a few cars passing by. I'm not sure how the noise reduction is going to work for this. It seems to be looking really good on this screen. I'm not sure what they're doing, but it looks much brighter on the screen than what I actually see with my eyes. So this is pretty interesting. I'm gonna go around the city a little bit here, get some test shots at night, because this should be one of the really big improvements on the camera is better low light performance in general. Okay, so this is another little vlogging test right here. I'm really excited to see how this one is going to look because now I'm in night mode. Actually, most of the shots I took tonight were actually using the night mode because not only is it only going to take some better video when filming, it's also going to process it afterwards to make it look even better, sharper, more detailed. You do not get all of the profiles that you can get in all the options you can get in the other video modes, but this could be really useful when you want to have to film at night and get some better shots in really low light conditions like it is right now. So I'm going to continue going around, take some more test shots, but up to now it does look very promising based on what I see on this little screen. I'm heading back home right now and I want to do a final little vlogging test here because after all this is going to be probably my main vlogging camera, so that's the most important for me. It's actually pretty dark where I'm walking right now. It looks very bright on the screen. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out outside. I'm not sure either if my face is really in focus or not. It does look like it is, but let's just make sure that everything here is working. I'm also using the built-in microphones here. I don't have the clipped-on microphone because I wanted to see how it sounds when I'm just walking around like this at night if I forget to have my actual microphone clipped in on me. But yeah, it looks pretty good. You can actually see there's such little light that this is actually the lights of the red lights here reflecting on me. So if this looks good, it's going to be very impressive that this tiny camera can pull this off. And just for the test of the sound, there's a car passing by. We're going to see if noise reduction is working or not right now. Wait, you were way too fast. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! How does it look? Does it look
It looks a lot better on the new camera here. True. I came at the Microsoft campus to test these two cameras at night, and based on what you can see on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it has way better image quality at night. The 1-inch sensor really shines in these low light conditions. Oops. DJI took 3 years to release this camera, and the wait was definitely worth it. It's a really fun camera to use. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments down below. I highly suggest you go check out my unboxing video to see the feature that nobody seems to be talking about. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the like button below, and definitely subscribe for more content on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. See you in the next one. Hello everyone. No, it's already off. It's a little amazed. Oh no, the movement was wrong.
You moved.
I was like, woof, no, bring it back. Little amazing webcam. Was too, so it wasn't like your webcam.
Yeah, webcam. Yeah, you have to do something weird with
It's
your
like so
voice.
weird. I never say webcam like that.
know.
It's like
No one says it like that, but you have to.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I just unboxed this. Nope. Little amazing webcam. No. It's a little amazing webcam.
It's better. It's probably the
It's
best.
so natural.
You stop. You don't want the comedian to laugh first before they deliver the punchline, okay? So.
Hello everyone. I just unboxed this. No. This little amazing webcam. No. Little amazing webcam. Little amazing webcam. Hello everyone. I just unboxed this. It's so hard to say. Just unboxed this. Oh my god. I just unboxed this. No, I cannot say little there. Hello everyone. I just unboxed. Oh no, forgot. Not doing this anymore. Hello everyone. I just unboxed this. Oh my god. Hello everyone. I just unboxed this little. No. DJI took 3 years. DJI took 3 years to release this new camera, and I think. What did I say?
Wait was worth it.
And I think the wait was definitely worth it. Do you agree? Do you agree? The video quality.
What do you think about the video quality?
That's what
Let me
we
know in
said.
the
Yeah.
comments.
Was definitely worth it. This is a fun camera to use. Do you? What do you think? And now I can use do you agree? And now I'm going to think about something else. DJI took 3 years to release this camera. DJI took 3 years to release this camera. DJI took 3 years to release this camera, and I forgot my text.
Wait, the wait was well.
The wait was well worth
worth
it. This is a very fun camera to use. Do you agree? I was gonna say, what do you think? Oh no, this is terrible.
I gave you that as like easy. Do you?
I know,
right?
I know. Let me think about what I'm gonna say before recording. Should I keep that in the video? Show them how it's actually made.
The sausages.
Exactly.
All right, here's your one-handed challenge battery swap.
What's the challenge for?
Well, you have to close your eyes and swap the battery on one attempt.
On one attempt. Uh-oh, this is the struggle.
He's thinking. He's thinking. Oh!
Here you go.
What a real Sony fanboy right here. He knows how to put a battery in correctly.